Hello, my name is Adam Howe, and I'll be going over Deliverable 2 with you. Comparison and contrast. The urban police officer in the first photo shows him high-fiving, smiling, being relaxed. This familiarity shows the police officer teaching the children and kids. The urban also shows having many different ethnicities. This is due to there being more population in the city areas. The building in the background also shows as being urban as well. The suburban billboard image shows just one child in riot gear. Both police officer and the little girl are smiling, showing the trust between police and civilians. The riot gear also shows what police need to wear at points in their career. Both of these are quite different and very similar. Both of these images show the police officer smiling and teaching. They are in both different because they show that they are teaching techniques in different aspects of their line of work. The suburbs show him teaching the right aspect in the line of duty. The urban shows in a classroom and teaches in different aspects of his line of duty, but they are not wearing all their gear. Both of these images are familiar of what police officer can and will do. For the suburbs billboard, this shows a police officer talking about his memories and experiences in the police force. Since everyone is smiling, he is talking about his positive experiences. The good they have done for the community and how going around teaching kids about safety is what makes the world safer. The expectation of this photo is that the children will come out with more knowledge about what the police do for them and what they have, what they're there to protect. It also shows the police are friendly, which makes them approachable. The bottom photo shows a police officer dressing the children up in riot gear. This photo, the officer shows what police need to wear on occasion to do their job. He is showing off his experiences with the child and letting them know that when wearing this, they are protected. This protection is an extension of protection for the community. Both of these are different because it shows off different aspects of the police force need to do and what gear they need to wear. The urban police officer is talking about teaching about different aspects of the force, and the suburban police officer you can see is showing and teaching certain aspects of the police force, such as wearing the riot gear. Both of these are different. The urban shows a happy teaching moment. The emotional engagement is satisfying because the police are working within the community to try and better it. This also illustrates that police do more than just catch bad guys, which is emotionally appealing to the viewer. It shows a happy involvement in the community. The suburban police officer shows another happy engagement moment, but also shows a protective engagement. Having the police officer have both hands smiling and the kid being protected smiling back shows caring for civilians. These are different from one another because one shows a teaching and the other one shows more of a caring engagement to the community. There are four different semiotic codes: metonym, analogical, displaced, and condensed. Metonym code is taking all the signs in an image and using this information to make an assumption about analogical codes. There are signs from the image that the viewer takes in and makes comparisons with. The displaced code, these essentially mean that the images transfer meaning from one set to another. Condensed codes are many different images being put together to form a new meaning to the viewer. These codes are all important because they give different meaning to the billboard. The connections you have with something, the more connections you have with something, the more it will stand out and grab your attention. The analogical for the urban shows that the police officer is doing more than just catching bad guys. They are teaching in the community. This is important because they allow us to know more of what the police officers do. The mnemonic shows him teaching children. From this sign, all the faces the teacher and the children, the police officer, all the signs point towards the officer teaching the children. The condensed version of this shows the police officer, school, and the urban background to show the officer do teach children in school. From the mnemonic for the suburbs, this shows the child in riot gear. The assumption is that what the police officer needs to wear sometimes while in the line of duty. Analogical, this shows that being a police officer is risky and that why they wear this gear to protect them. Display shows the different aspects of the police. Some actions be performed using this protection, such as riot gear. Thank you.